Hello everyone, my name is Mankan Sardate and in this tutorial I will be teaching you hacking tricks using command prompt. The first thing I will be teaching you guys is how to see a password of a Wi-Fi network, and I will also explain the basics of IP address and a MAC address. So come, let's begin. Before directly jumping into hacking a Wi-Fi network, first let us understand the basics of how internet works and what are MAC address and IP address, because MAC address and IP address are the two main components required for hacking. So first let me teach you how the internet works. Okay, on your screen you guys can see clients, access point and the internet. So let us understand what is meant by client. Client are those who access the internet. For example, your laptops, mobiles or desktop. They are the one who will access the internet. Okay, next is the access point. This is the one which will have direct connection to the internet. So your clients will not have direct access to the internet. For example, Wi-Fi router. So if you want to connect to the internet, you should connect to your Wi-Fi router and your Wi-Fi router will be connected to the internet. Or for example, Airtel SIM or Jio SIM, you don't have internet connection. Airtel and Jio has direct access to the internet. So if you want to connect to the internet, you have to use their SIM and recharge to use the internet directly. So you are using Airtel and Jio has the access point, or you can use the Wi-Fi router as the access point. Okay, so basically you need to keep in mind two main points. One is the access point is the only one which will have direct access to the internet, and the second thing is the client computers or your laptops should connect to the access point, then the access point will connect you to the internet. So because access point is the one which will have main access to the internet, you won't have any access to the internet. If you connect to the access point, it will connect to the internet and provide you the connection. So let us understand how it works. First, consider you will type google.com on your computer web browser. Now the computer will send a request to the access point for google.com. Now since the access point has direct access to the internet, it will look for google.com. Now it will receive the response, that is google.com page, and it will forward that google.com to your computer and you will see the Google page loaded on your computer. Now you have received your web page and you guys might be asking, where did the concept of IP address and MAC address go? Okay, let me give you a situation. Think I and my friend have connected to our college Wi-Fi router. We have connected to the same router and I am searching google.com in my computer and he will be searching for youtube.com in his computer. Both the requests will be sent to the access point, that is the Wi-Fi router. It will go to the internet and it will search for google.com and youtube.com. Now, how will the router know to which computer I should send Google and for which computer I should send the YouTube? Okay, hence to identify which computer has sent the request, we use MAC address. So basically MAC address is like DNA or fingerprint of a human being. Each human being will have unique fingerprint or DNA. Hence each device, I mean computer, laptop, will have its own unique MAC address. No two devices will have same MAC address. Each device will have its own unique MAC address. MAC address is like a DNA, so it will help us to identify the computer. So now you have understood about the MAC address. Now let me explain you about the IP address. For example, IP address is like the location. So if I search google.com on my computer, it will send the request google.com along with the IP address. So IP address basically helps us to identify from where the request is coming, and MAC address will help us to identify from which computer the request is coming from. So IP address and MAC address, these both will help us to access the internet. Okay, I hope you have understood what is MAC address and what is IP address. Now let me explain you how to see the password of a Wi-Fi network. So I have opened the notepad. So I will be typing the command first and I will show which are the commands we use. Next we will implement it in the command prompt. So to show the connected network list, we have to type ntshwlan, then show profile. So this command will show the list of all the Wi-Fi networks which you had connected through your computer. Now to see the password of the Wi-Fi network, what you should do? So you have to type the same command, that is ntsh LAN show, so wait, there is a space here, LAN show profile, and the name of the Wi-Fi pass which you want the password of. So name of the Wi-Fi, it is also called as SSID. So name of the Wi-Fi. So let me write this in the codes so you can differentiate it. Here you will write the name of the Wi-Fi. Then you have to write key equals clear. So this command will help you know the Wi-Fi password of the Wi-Fi network. Now to see the MAC address and IP address, what should we do? So to show the IP address and the MAC address, there is a command that is ipconfig. So by typing this command onto your command prompt, we will be able to see the IP address and the MAC address of the networks. So come, let's go and execute these commands onto our command prompt. And the another thing we need to keep in mind is we have to run the command prompt as an administrator. Okay, then only we will be able to run these commands. So come, let's start. Okay, now I have come to my computer screen. Now let me connect to a Wi-Fi network. So I have turned the hotspot of my mobile. The name is Manikant, Wi-Fi name is Manikant, and the password is Manikant12. So I will find the password of this network. So I am showing you the password. So it's Manikant12, and in the command prompt we have to find the password as Manikant12. Okay, let me connect it. Now let's go to the command prompt now. So I will be typing CMD and press enter. So it will run the command prompt. Now let me type the command and try to run it. NETSH and press enter. And it will show error. So it is showing the error because I had told you to run the command prompt as an administrator. So let's close this and run the command prompt as an administrator. So type CMD, click on run as administrator, and it will start to run as an administrator. Now it will show the path as system32. Okay, so this is the confirmation that you are running it as an administrator. So let me type the command NETSH, then show, okay, it's WLAN, WLAN, show, SHOW, show profile, PROFILE. So it will show the list of all the available networks which I had connected. So you can see all the networks which I had connected. So Manikant I had connected, then there are all the Wi-Fi networks. Now let me show you the IP address and the MAC address. So we have to type IP config. Wait a minute, there is a spelling mistake. IP config, NFIG. So it will show the IP address and the MAC address. So the MAC address is this one. This is the MAC address, and the below one is the IP address. So it is showing the MAC address and IP address of all the networks. Now let me go back to the previous command and see the list of Wi-Fi networks. So to go back to previous command, just click on the up arrow on your keyboard. So it will show the previous command. Now I have to know the password of Manikant. So to know the password, I have to type the command known as NETSH, then show, SHOW, show. Wait a minute, I had forgot. WLAN, show, then profile, then name, Manikant, and we have to type key equals clear. Key equals clear. This will show you the password of that particular Wi-Fi network. So in this security setting, you can see as key content. Key content is Manikant12. So I had shown you the password, and you are seeing the password. And ciphertext is, you can see also the ciphertext. So ciphertext is encrypted text, how it will be encrypted. Okay, I hope this video helped you in knowing the basics of IP address and MAC address, and also how a Wi-Fi network works. So here are different Wi-Fi network. You can find the password of any of them.